Hey everyone, today we ask a few questions about mobile computing, internet browsing, database, and more. So let's go talk to him and get started. Hello Miss, what's your name?
Yes, hello, my name is Kartika.
Nice to meet you. May I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, sure.
What feature do you use on a mobile device? What do you use them for?
One feature I frequently use on my mobile device is the camera, as I often capture images of skyscrapers and streets.
Nice. I see you're holding your phone. Are you using any feature right now?
Yes, I'm actually checking my gallery at the moment to see the photos I took earlier.
How are these mobile device features and functions useful? And what are the features?
For example, if my phone has GPS, it helps me find places easily. A strong battery is also useful because I can use my phone for a long time without charging it.
Okay, last question. Can workers use mobile device? How do mobile device help workers?
Let's take a delivery driver mobile device, help delivery drivers find addresses, contact customers, and manage deliveries more easily.
Thank you for providing the question. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hello, what's your name?
Odi,
Nice to meet you, Odi. May I ask you a few questions?
sure, why not?
Which website do you use visit most often?
I often visit Chrome because it's like fast and looks really nice. And also many people use it right now. I'm I'm actually checking some tech new website because I'm looking for updates.
Cool. I visit Chrome often too. By the way, do you have an email?
Yes, I often use email to send messages and telephone communication to my friends and family.
When would you choose email instant messaging? Face-to-face communication for communication.
I will choose email for instant messaging for quick casual chat, face-to-face communication for important discussion, and phone call when I need a face-to-face.
Okay, this is my last question. What computing device do you use in your daily life?
The computing device is used most often in an ATM because it makes transaction easier for me.
Thank you for providing the question.
You're welcome.
Hello sir, what's your name?
Arlianza,
May I ask you a few questions?
sure.
What database program do you know?
I know several database programs such as MySQL, Oracle, and Microsoft Access. People use database to store, manage, and organize data so it can be easily accessed.
How do you enter data in database?
You can do that by opening a form and entering the data into the field.
Okay, last question. What is the job of system administration?
The job of a system administrator is to manage, maintain, and secure computer system and server. They make sure system runs smoothly, handle user account, and protect data from security threats. While I was checking the system earlier, I noticed that some users had not updated their password.
Thank you for providing the question.
You're welcome.
Hi, might I ask you a few questions?
Yes. What's the question?
Before we start, might I know your name?
Mandalia, but you call me Manda.
Okay. Which peripheral device do you use most often?
I mostly use a keyboard and a mouse because I use a computer almost every day. Sometimes I also use handphones and I printer when I need them. Actually, yesterday I used a printer to finish an assignment.
Can you explain how the keyboard and mouse you use everyday work?
The keyboard works by sending signal to the computer when I press the key so the letters or comments appear on the screen. The mouse works by moving the cursor on the screen and letting me click or scroll to control what I want to do one time. I was printing a document when the printer suddenly stopped working. I use both of them every day to work and navigate my computer easily.
Last question for Manda. Do you use spreadsheet? Last question for Manda. Do you use spreadsheet? What for? What for?
I usually use them to organize data, make simple calculations, inequalities, and sometimes create charts to make the information and easier to understand.
Do you use spreadsheet?
I usually use them to organize data, make simple calculations, inequalities, and sometimes create charts to make the information and easier to understand.
Thanks a lot for taking the time to answer my question.
You're welcome.